If you're a freelance copywriting mom or you want to be a freelance copywriting mom and you struggle with any of these, then this is for you. Hi, I'm Christa Nichols, and over the past 5 years, I've taken a freelance copywriting business from $0 to $1.2 million in revenue, writing for clients like Dean Graziosi, Jay Shetty, and Brian Serhan, and coaching inside high-level coaching programs like Russell Brunson's Inner Circle and 2 Club X, all from my home office and while homeschooling my 2 kids. My biggest pet peeves when I was first getting started, and maybe you can relate to this too, I wanted to grow expert level skills, but nobody wanted to talk about what that actually took. It was like there was this gatekeeping secret going on behind it, and you had to pay high ticket prices to a coach or a course in order to learn them. That's why when I started training freelance copywriting mamas, I decided to do the exact opposite. I did a membership with high-level sales copywriting and client attraction trainings, and right now you can get a free 30-day all-access pass, absolutely free. Click the link in the bio. Like I said, no strings. It's free for 30 days. Follow for more.